Frozen French fries. How McDonald's-style fries are made. French fries, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, are one of the world's most beloved fast foods. Whether you buy them at McDonald's or pick up a frozen pack at the grocery store, their taste and texture are remarkably consistent. But how is that possible when billions of fries are made every year? Today, we take you inside the fascinating world of frozen French fry production. It all starts with the potato. Not just any potato will do. Factories carefully source specific varieties like Russet Burbank and Innovator, known for their long shape, low moisture, and perfect starch content. These potatoes are delivered in bulk, sometimes hundreds of tons a day, straight from farms to the processing plant. Upon arrival, the potatoes undergo strict quality checks. Size, sugar levels, and texture are measured. Too much sugar, for instance, will cause fries to burn and turn brown instead of golden. Only potatoes that meet exacting standards are approved for production. The journey continues with cleaning. Potatoes tumble through giant rotary washers, where powerful sprays remove soil and debris. Hyper-sure water jets ensure that every potato comes out spotless before peeling. Industrial steam peelers then blast the potatoes with superheated steam, loosening the skin, which is quickly brushed away. This ensures uniformity and saves time compared to manual peeling. Once peeled, the potatoes are sorted and trimmed. High-speed blades and cameras check for imperfections, removing any blemished or misshapen pieces. The perfect potatoes now move on to cutting. Specialized cutting machines force potatoes through razor-sharp grids at high speed, slicing them into uniform strips. This is where the familiar French fry shape is born, whether shoestring, crinkle cut, or classic McDonald's style. But cutting is just the beginning. To achieve that iconic fry texture, the raw strips go through a process called blanching. They are briefly boiled in hot water or steam. Blanching removes excess sugars, prevents discoloration, and softens the fries to ensure a fluffy interior. After blanching, the fries are quickly dried, using air blowers to prepare them for the next step. Now it's time for frying. The fries are partially fried in hot oil for a short duration. This creates the thin, crispy outer layer that locks in moisture and flavor. Par-frying also gives fries their signature golden color. But they're not cooked all the way through just yet. That part happens later in your kitchen or at a restaurant. After par-frying, the fries head into massive blast freezers. Here, they're frozen at extremely low temperatures within minutes. This rapid freezing locks in freshness, prevents sogginess, and ensures that fries retain their texture when cooked later. Next comes packaging. Frozen fries move down conveyor belts into automated filling machines that way and pack exact amounts into bags or cartons. These bags are then sealed, coated with production details, and boxed for shipping. Every package undergoes quality control, from metal detectors to optical scanners to guarantee safety and consistency. Finally, pallets of fries are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and shipped worldwide, from fast food chains like McDonald's to supermarkets. The journey from farm to frozen pack ensures that every fry tastes just the way you expect. And that's the story of frozen French fries. A blend of farming science, industrial engineering, and culinary precision, all working together to create one of the world's favorite foods. The next time you bite into a perfectly crispy fry, remember the incredible process that brought it from potato fields to your plate.